Hello guys, welcome back to Glory Home of Skill. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 100% rice cereals. No chemical, no additives. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video. You are highly welcome. And if today is the first time I've come in across my channel, you are highly welcome. And please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. It will make my channel grow. So guys, if you want to know how I made this 100% rice cereals for baby, stay tuned and keep watching. So we're going to start by soaking our rice. I'm going to be soaking with hot water, so I will soak it for about 10 minutes before I will wash it. I am doing this so that I can take off some starch out from this rice. So it is time to wash it off. You can see it has soaked a lot of water, so I'm going to be pouring some cold water to wash it off. You can see the rice is still hot, so that's why I'm using spoon to turn it so I can save the water out. Please encourage me by subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post a new video. Let me tell you the advantage of subscribing to my channel. You'll be able to learn a lot. You'll be able to learn how to produce things yourself, how to make soap, and how to make some productions. You can see, you can just go through my channel, you see what I'm doing. So please subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be washing it. I'm going to wash for about 3 to 4 times. As far as we are not seeing any whitish color in this water, it is okay. So right now I'm going to be sieving it out. I'm going to be sieving all the water. So after that I'll wait for like 2 minutes so that the water can strain out, then I will start to fry. So this is our pan. We'll begin to dry fry it. So I'll be doing it batch by batch because the rice is 5 cups, so I will not fry it at once. But if you have a bigger pan, you can do it at once. So I'll begin to pour in my rice into the frying pan, then I'll fry. So I'll begin to stir it. Please make sure that you are frying this on a very low heat. So I'm going to be stirring it very faster so that it will not get burnt. You can see that the rice is half done. So for you to make it cooked a little bit more before you dry fry it, you can just reduce the light. Make sure you stir it very fast. As you can see, the rice is cooking and frying at once. This is why I said you should do this in a very low heat. a very big pot or a pan, please I would advise you to do this at once. So you can see that our rice is caramelized. You can see that it's no longer white, so it is changing color and it is no more sticky. So that's why I brought it out to check. So keep stirring until it is well dried. So you can see the way our rice is caramelized. Please don't make yours to be too brown because it's supposed to be looking white. That's how rice cereal looks like. I soaked it in hot water for it to be pre-cooked, and I also put it in a very low heat so that it will be very well done. So do not over fry yours so that it will not look so brown. So this is the place I spread it. Please do not take this under the sun because we are making it for your baby. So I kept it in my kitchen for 3 days before I took it to commercial blender because this rice is so strong that my blender cannot do that job. So the reason for the advice not to keep it under sun is not to allow dust to penetrate because it is for baby. Okay, so you can keep it under the sun if you have something that you use and cover it. If you have something like net that you can cover it with, there is no problem. But because I don't have such thing, I kept it in my kitchen for 3 days. You can see the way it is looking. It's no longer looking like the normal rice that you have in your kitchen. So look at the way it's looking. So I'm going to transfer it into the bucket and take it to the commercial blender to blend it for me. Okay, I've taken it to the blender. So this is a commercial blender. This is how it is looking. You can see the rice. It takes a lot of time to blend. So please use this medium to subscribe to this channel. I am going to teach you a lot in this channel. You're going to learn how to make things for yourself. You don't need to buy everything at the store. So that's why I'm doing this for you guys. So guys, I am done blending it. I'm going to open it for you guys to see how it is looking. So look at how smooth my rice cereal is looking. It is giving. So I'm going to be sieving it for it to have a smooth texture when I am making it. So stay tuned. So I sieved this for 2 times. So this is the chaff. We can use it to make tuwo shinkafa. That's what they call tuwo shinkafa. It is swallow. So you can use it to make swallow, or you can throw it away. So anyone choose is okay. So I'm still going to show you guys how the texture of the one I sieved out is looking. So look at it. It is giving. Look at how the texture is looking like. It is very smooth. Look at it. Oh my god, I like this. So I'm going to transfer it back to the bucket and I'll cover it. So this is anytime I want to make use of it, this is where I'll be taking it from. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it, so keep watching. So look at it. I'm going to add a very little bit of sugar. I'm not going to add all this sugar that is in my hand, so I'll just add a very little bit of sugar for it to have a very little sweet taste, so that baby will not resist or refuse to take the food. So I'm going to stir it and I'm going to show you guys how I made this for the baby. So I'm going to make use of 2 spoons of rice cereals and I'm going to use hot water to mix it up. Just watch I'm doing it, okay? It is very simple. Please make sure you stir this very fast to avoid lumps. So you can see what 2 spoonful gave me. So I'm going to add baby milk. So after that I'll stir it. So this is a baby food of 4 months plus. You can give to 4 months, you can give to 6 months, 1 year and upward. So if you're making this for 4 months baby, you can make it a very little bit watery, but I'm giving it to 6 months baby, so that's why it is thick like this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like what you just watched, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post any video. So guys, like this video, share this video and leave a positive comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.